In this video, we listed the 5 best circular saws that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DeWalt Circular Saw. The DeWalt 7¼ circular saw is a lightweight and powerful tool, weighing only 8.8 pounds, making it one of the lightest in its class. It features a robust 15-amp motor that delivers reliable power for a variety of tough applications. The corded saw is equipped with an electric brake that halts the blade immediately upon releasing the trigger, enhancing safety. It offers a 57-degree beveling capacity with preset stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees, along with a cutting depth capacity of 2 and 9/16 inches. Designed for durability, the saw includes a ball-bearing lower guard that withstands harsh environments and a high-grade aluminum base that ensures precise cuts. Additional features such as a lower guard designed for improved performance during bevel cuts, an integrated dust blower for a clearer line of sight, and a patented tough cord protection system, which provides 3 times the durability against cord pullout, enhance its usability and longevity. This circular saw is a versatile tool suitable for cutting wood and excels in various woodworking tasks. Number 2. Skilsaw SPT77WML-01. The skill-corded electric saw, featuring a sleek silver design and constructed with lightweight magnesium, is engineered to minimize user fatigue and downtime. Its high-speed steel blade is optimized for cutting wood, while the cut-ready depth of cut system ensures quick and precise depth measurements. With a 53 degrees bevel capability, this saw allows users to tackle a wider range of cuts, making it versatile for various woodworking projects. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor, it efficiently rips through lumber, enhancing productivity. Additionally, the anti-snag lower guard promotes smooth operation, especially when handling small cut-off pieces, making this tool a reliable choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Number 3. Makita 5477NB7-1. The Makita hand-powered tool features a striking teal design and is crafted from high-speed steel, making it highly efficient for woodworking projects. It boasts advanced hypoid gears that provide superior power and more surface contact than traditional worm drive gears, complemented by a powerful 15-amp motor that enhances productivity. Designed for minimal maintenance, the tool incorporates oil bath technology and a sealed gear housing. With a bevel capacity ranging from 0 degrees to 51.5 degrees and positive stops at 45 degrees and 51.5 degrees, it is particularly suited for making precise cuts in trusses and rafters. The high-quality, heat-treated hypoid gears ensure durability and long-lasting performance, solidifying its place as an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 4. DeWalt Flexvolt Circular Saw. The DeWalt 7¼ cordless circular saw is engineered for precision and convenience, featuring a left-side blade orientation for optimal line of sight and a repositioned handle for enhanced control. It boasts an electronic brake that halts the blade immediately upon trigger release, ensuring safety during operation. With a bevel capacity of 53 degrees and preset stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees, this compact saw is versatile for various cutting angles. Constructed with a durable magnesium shoe and powered by an efficient brushless motor, it delivers smooth, accurate cuts and extended runtime, achieving a cutting depth of 2 and 7/16 inches at 90 degrees. Additional features include a rafter hook for easy tool storage, an integrated dust blower for maintaining a clear cutting line, and onboard storage for the blade wrench, making blade changes convenient. Furthermore, the saw is equipped with Tool Connect tag-ready capabilities, allowing for enhanced tracking and management when paired with a separate Tool Connect tag. Number 5. Makita 5007 Megagram Saw. The Makita saw is a lightweight, durable tool designed for job site efficiency, weighing just 10.6 pounds thanks to its magnesium components. It features a powerful 15.0 amp motor that provides an impressive 5,800 RPM, ensuring reliable performance in cutting tasks. Designed primarily for wood, This corded electric saw includes two built-in LED lights that illuminate the cutting line for enhanced accuracy. Its large cutting capacity allows for cuts up to 2.5 inches at a 90-degree angle, and it offers bevel capabilities ranging from 0 to 56 degrees with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees for precise adjustments. The product is backed by a 1-year warranty, making it a dependable choice for contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike.